name is Samuel De Leon. I'm the owner and the founder of Samuel De Leon Energy. We are one of the leading battery consulting firms in our industry. And I'm happy to be here in the battery show Europe again. This time I see the show really go up. The pandemic is slightly went down, and so we see many people that were not here. We have 3 halls full with exhibitors, and the event this year is also focused, we can see, on automation and production and manufacturing, and definitely is one of the best places to come to meet all these companies that can help with automation and go up the business. So we are an exhibitors here, and I'm a speaker. So I give 2 talks, and we exhibit in the booth here. We see many new people come approaching us, talking with us. I think this is also a good place for a business, not just for technical knowledge. So as a combination, technical knowledge and business, this is definitely a very good event.